Course reserves. What are they, where to find them, and how to use them? The Northern Lakes College course reserves are textbooks and novels that the library has identified as required course materials for certain academic courses. All course reserves are digital resources. We don't have any physical copies to loan out. Access to these resources is free for students and staff of NLC. How to find course reserves. To find the course reserves, you start on the main NLC website, northernlakescollege.ca, and click the button in the top right corner labeled My NLC. That'll take you here, and now you want to click on the NLC Library link, which will take you to the library services page. And now we want to click this advanced search button just below the search bar, and that will take us into the library's website. And now we want to click sign in. So just sign in with your NLC username. And now this is for if you're using a computer at home, you might want to click yes, but if you're using a public computer, you would probably want to click no. You don't want to reduce the number of times you sign in. So now that we're logged into the library's website, we can see in the top right corner that it greets us by our first name, and over here on the left side it's course reserves. So let's click on that. So now that we're in the list of course reserves, you can look to see if any of the listed reserves are courses that you're enrolled in. Any resources that's required by your course that you can find and use here is one less resource you have to purchase or rent. How to use course reserves. So once you've found the course reserves, you can either search for your course code from the list here, or look for it with the search bar at the top of the page. The course code is in the format of 4 letters followed by 4 numbers. English 1000 is a course that many different programs have to take. Its code is ENGL 1000. If we click on the course code, it will take us to the resources for that course. So the resource for English 1000 is a novel called Indian Horse. We want to click the View ebook option here below, and that will take us to the website that hosts the ebook. Now we want to click the Read option here, and that will take us to a page where we can read the book. One of the benefits of reading books online is that you can zoom in. So the novel starts here, but we could make it, which in my mind would be a lot easier to read. Thanks for watching.